How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here, and welcome back to a brand new auto video. Today I'll be teaching you what you should do in case of an absolute emergency that no one wishes to ever be in, is when your accelerator is stuck on a highway or on a road and you cannot stop. As always, before we get into the video, I want to make sure you guys subscribe and like the video. The goal is 1,000 by at least 3 months from now. I'm at 776 subscribers. I just need 230 more and I'll love you forever. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so say you're going down the highway, going 65 miles an hour in your swag Civic because you don't want to dent it. Then all of a sudden your accelerator's stuck. You're going 70, then 80, then 90, then 100, if it even reaches that. But the point is, you cannot stop. And there's cars everywhere, you're weaving through, you're going off to the emergency pullover section. What do? You're freaking out, brakes not working. What should you do? Well, there's 3 things that you could do, but only one of them is the right answer. So you can either do 1, A, pull the emergency brake, 2, turn the engine off, or 3, jam into neutral. I want you to choose which one that you would do in this emergency and see if you would live. Alright, we'll go with the first one. If you choose slam on the emergency brake, not gonna work. Due to the fact, it will work, but here's the reason why. I wish I could show you, but I can't crash cars in real life, so I can't really demonstrate this for you, so I'm gonna explain it. So say you're going 100 down the highway. If you slam on that emergency brake, it locks the wheels up and you're gonna lose complete control. Swerving left, right, you're gonna spin out, you're gonna hit another car, you lose all control of the car. So hitting your emergency brake will stop you, but not in a good way. Alright guys, this one I can actually demonstrate for you. So if you choose number 2, turn the car off, that's probably the worst idea of them all, and here's why. Alright, we're going 100 down the road, 100, 100, 100. As you can see, it's in drive. Complete full power. You can hear the squeaking of the suspension, but complete power. Now, foot's on the brake, but complete engine power cut. We're still in drive, we're not in park. We're kind of rolling right now. Wheel is completely stuck, and the brakes aren't working. Like the wheel is stuck, again, we're in drive. So if you're going on the highway and you're trying to turn the car off, yeah, you're going straight into that tractor trailer. All right, I'm gonna give you a quick demonstration. Right now we're in Mexico because again, this is illegal and you're not really supposed to be doing this. So again, we're in Mexico where everything's okay. I'm gonna give you an example. We're gonna go to 10 miles an hour. I'm gonna show you how the brakes kind of completely stop working when you turn the car off. So we're gonna do this fast. All right, we're about 10 there. We're gonna cut the keys. Slam on the brakes, slam on the brakes, slam on the brakes. We're still going, slam on the brakes, slam it on the brakes, and cut. Imagine going 100. That should, and for this is air brake, so the more I pump, the more I cannot push it down at all. Like I literally cannot push it down because it keeps on filling with air. So that's why you do not turn your key off while in drive if the accelerator is stuck. Now if you chose step 3, which is jam into neutral, that's probably the best option that you could probably do. And again, here's why. Like I said, turn the key off and stops the brake system. But if you're going 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, we'll go and drive a little bit. So we're driving a little bit. We're driving. Slam that shit in the neutral. Again, we have full control of the wheel. No acceleration is cut. It's in neutral. It cuts off all acceleration, and you can slowly coast your way to a stop. That's probably the best option for you. Again, you can slam on the brakes you want. See, again, brakes still work. They stopped on a dime. Again, even though the accelerator's stuck, your brakes is probably not gonna work, but if you slam in neutral, all acceleration's cut off and you can coast. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. This is not one of those little BS videos, this is an actual and educational video for you guys. I really want to help you guys in case if anything ever happens. That's the point of this. That's why I love doing what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoy it. And in review, if you ever get your accelerator stuck, jam that thing into neutral. It's gonna save your life. But again, this is an ultra rare, mega rare thing that ever happens. I've only looked up, and I think there's like 3 cases or 4 cases I looked into, so there might be a million, but this is a very rare thing that happens, and good thing is you might get compensated for it by the car dealership. But again, it's never good to be in that kind of dangerous situation. But as always guys, that's the end of the video finally. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.